This is a 30,000 mile update video. I did have some warranty work done on the upper oil pan. I did a video about that already. The guys at Lafayette Ford really did a good job. Thank God I was under warranty, let's just put it that way. That would have been quite expensive. Again, no, other than that, truck has been doing great. Took it to Indiana. This truck's gone to Florida, Tampa, it goes to Virginia regularly. It's been a good truck, no complaints. So interior's holding up really well. Let's do a quick look at that right quick. I keep the truck really clean, as you can see. Here's my dash cam. Highly recommend everyone get a dash cam. That's really important. A lot of people out there like to claim fraud and all that is, when we get to an accident, oh, it's their fault. No, I got footage. It's your fault. Anyways, yeah, that's it. There's no major updates. I am thinking about putting a cold air intake kit. Well, not really cold air intake kit. It's an open air intake kit from AFE. It's a new one coming out in March. We'll see. But yeah, so Ford's doing pretty good.